Hey you guys, I am so excited to show you today how you can make your investment back when you join my team as a Monat market partner and you start selling shampoo with us. So first of all, as soon as possible, I tell my girls when you're brand new, your first goal is to build one block and hit your first rank within your first week. Now you do have a couple months, but success loves speed, and I want you to get your investment back immediately. Okay, so this is how you do it. First of all, when you look at your first rank, you're gonna see there's three of you, but it's a little bit more than that. So let me show you. We want to build a block, okay? So think about a block, and I'll talk about the rank in a minute. So a block, what that is it's 5 people, okay? So you're gonna have Sally. All right, Sally's gonna be, let's say Sally is your sister, all right? And so Sally wants to join your team, or you're telling her she has to, she has no choice. And so she's gonna buy the Overachiever pack. It's $6.49 in the US. Now these numbers are gonna look a little different in Canada, the UK, and other countries when we add them, but for purposes of this, the basic structure is still the same. It's just the payout and the pricing is going to look a little different, but the idea is still the same. So you have one market partner, Sally. You're going to make $230 in commission off of her product pack. And Sally is going to make volume. She's going to get the volume, a ton of volume, which is going to help her because you're going to teach Sally this same thing. You're going to say, Sally, you need to build a block and hit your first rank within a week, okay? So, and this is you're going to teach her the same thing, or you're going to duplicate this, okay? So you need 5 people. You need 1 market partner, 1 team member, and you need 4 loyal customers. Okay, friends don't let friends pay full price. Everybody, if they're not on your team, they need to be a VIP, okay? Because everybody needs healthy hair. Everybody needs a shampoo. So on average, you make about $15 per VIP, and the market partners, there are cheaper product packs to get into, but you don't get the best discount. So you get a 50% discount, plus you get like 33 products or something crazy. So it's always better to pick the bigger product pack so that you get more bang for your buck, because you only have one chance to get that product pack. So you want to make sure you choose correctly, right? Or choose wisely. So when you add all this together, you're going to make about $290. When you add all this together in commission off of those 5 people. But wait, there's more. Because you are in your Smart Start period, you are going to get a block bonus, because this is a block, 5 people, 1 team member, and 4 customers, loyal customers, is a block. So you're going to get a block bonus of $150. But wait, there's more. When you acquire 4 VIPs, you get a $60 bonus, okay? Now the cool thing is even outside Smart Start, because this is all your Smart Start bonuses right here. Even outside Smart Start, if you get 4 VIPs in 1 month, you're going to get that $60 bonus too. So that doesn't end. And so that is going to give you $500, okay? But wait, there's more. Jen, your best friend Jen, she wants to join your team too. So you're like, girl, you need the Overachiever pack too. Well, Jen's like, all right, well, if Sally did it, I'll do it. So now you're going to make another $230 if she picks that product pack. If she picks a lesser one, you'll make less, but let's just say she won't. So then you, with all of this volume and these people and everybody and Jen and you got everything, you're going to get to MMP, Managing Market Partner. So you're going to hit your first rank and you're going to get a $100 bonus for getting your first rank, okay? So all together with 6 people, you're gonna make $830. You guys, come on. Like, if that doesn't light your pants on fire, I don't know what will. So this is a very simple way of getting started so that you can get your investment back, and I can show you how to do it. I can give you all the tools and get you started, but you just have to take that leap of faith and say yes and join us, okay? So I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.